Welcome back everybody, Automotive Inc. Today we're checking out Poli Glow. So apparently Poli Glow you can use on just about everything. We used it on the RV and it turned out really well. Well, one of their videos actually said you can use it on these headlights. So we're going to give it a shot. As oxidized as these bad boys are, we are going to start with the Polyox first, which is their powder and their little fine sanding pad. And again, I'll show you how basically it turned out. This one is the worst, and we'll go back here in a little bit and we'll show you the one that's completed. I'm very happy with how it turned out. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, helps my Smile channel out. I will link below all of this stuff I got on the Zon, and one kit was enough to not only do this, but my whole 40-foot trailer. So we're gonna do what they say. You can watch a video on how they specifically do it, but you dampen the sanding pad, you sprinkle a little of this white goo on here, and we start working on these headlights. And after that, we do the poly wash and maybe 5-6 coats of the Poli Glow itself. So I'm gonna get to work. You see how nasty this is, and we'll go from there. All right, everybody, so now we've done the Polyox, which is the powder. And from there, you're gonna come in with the Poly Prep and just basically just spray it down. Now, you remember how yellow those were. Now, if you've already put one of those aftermarket kits on here where you sand it and all that stuff, some of this Polyox is probably taking that off. And if you look at my bucket there, it's all yellow, and the headlight itself was yellow. So now we're just gonna do the Poly Prep. We're gonna get it nice and dry. Then we're gonna follow the steps just like they mentioned before, which is you put a coat on, you let it dry. Well, it's the headlight. I got good lungs, so I just blow on it to get it to dry faster. But we can already see that this is almost better than the yellow that it was. So we're hoping that this one turns out really well. Both headlights were equally faded out, but I'll show you what the other one looks like because it's part of the little trick. And I scrubbed on this with the little fine sanding pad for probably less than 3 minutes. So like I said, you can watch a specific video from them on how to do the levels, but I mean, it's a pretty straightforward thing. So again, with that kit, you're just gonna need to buy a spray bottle, which I'll link below on the Zon, and you can go over there and check it out. So now we're gonna actually just start layering on the actual Poli Glow itself, and we'll see in just a second. All right, everybody, so this was 5 coats of Poli Glow, less than 10 minutes worth of work. It probably took longer to actually shoot the video. You saw this was the worst of the 2 headlights. Now you can put 8, 9, 10 coats on it, and this is something that you would maintain after about 5-6 years. They said it can kind of haze again, but look at this headlight. And we'll pan over and take a look at the other headlight. I mean, this just dolled up the whole front end of this car, night and day. You know, and it's not always just about looks, guys. I mean, you got to think about this is what gives you your vision at night when they're hazy like that. This should substantially help your actual light output back out of the headlights. But yeah, I mean, just 5 minutes with the Polyox, the Poly Wash, and then like I said, this is 5 coats. I'm probably going to put a couple more on there. But this is going to get the Automotive Inc. Thumbs up on this. I mean, I don't know any other way. Those other headlight kits are way more expensive, way more time consuming. You got to mask this whole area off so the sanding discs don't scratch your paint. And the Polyox, they said, won't hurt decals or paint. And yeah, that is a win, guys. So make sure you check out the links down below for the video and for finding the product on the Zon. I'm going to catch you on the next one.